What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the next generation of the Samsung Galaxy A series smartphones has been finally leaked as its 360 degrees CAD renders for the Galaxy A35 5G smartphone. Now we have also covered the complete review of the Galaxy A34, but the Galaxy A35 will also be looking very much similar towards the Galaxy A34. Now the phone does look a lot of resemblance with the Galaxy S23 series of lineup as well. And the Galaxy A35 5G will be coming with the more rounded corners, slimmer bezels and marginally a thick chin. The phone will be featuring a 6.6 inch of a flat display. It will also be coming with a 120Hz of high refresh rate, and not only that, the phone will be also having this time around the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chip, and which is definitely an upgrade from the Samsung's own Exynos processor from the Galaxy A34 5G. We won't be seeing a 834S, but instead it's going to be a 835, and the phone will be coupled with 8 plus up to 256 gigs of internal storage. The phone will be running on Android 13 out of the box based on One UI 5.1, and it will also be getting an upgrade instantly enough only for Android 14 and One UI 6. The phone will be coming with a triple camera setup with a primary camera of 48 megapixel and the ultra wide camera of 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel of a depth or a macro sensor. The selfie camera is going to be 13 megapixel, but apart from that, the battery capacity is going to have 5000 milliamp battery with a 25 watt of wired charging. Now, what you can expect from this phone is that the bezels of the smartphones are very much thicker, and you can compare these bezels as equal as the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Now, what do you think about these bezels? Let us know in the comment section below. But the frame of this phone is going to be of metal and the back is going to be of glass, which does going to be feel very premium in hand when compared to the other aspects of the phone in this price segment. Now the phone will also be coming with a starting price of around to be 27 to 30,000 rupees in India. Also additionally, you have to buy the charger separately, so just take a note of that as well. Now what do you think about this video? If you like it, then share it, and also let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.